Hello everyone, today we will solve a palindrome number question. When a number reads forward as backward, the number is a palindrome. For example, 121 is a palindrome, 234 is not. Let's see how to solve this question. Look at this example number, 3758. When you read forward, aka from left to the right, you have to read 3 first, then 7, 5, and 8. The number cannot be messed up, so we can label this reading sequence starting from index 0. Obviously, this reading sequence represents the ordered data structure when reading backward from right to the left. You just need to reverse the index, labeling from the furmost right with index 0, then increasing it to the left. Python list and tuple are two types of the ordered data structure. Here, we will use a list to solve this question. However, you can use either of these two structures. Let's look at the code now. You have to first convert the number to the string and store the individual digit, which is a string now, in the list. After it is done, compare the list with its reversed one. If it is true, the number is a palindrome, otherwise, not. Let's check a few examples. For example, number 2332, the return is true, so it is a palindrome. For number 2331, the return is false, so it's not. How about a negative number? For negative 2332, the return is false, so it's not palindrome. How about float number? 23.32. The return is true, so it's a palindrome. It works. Okay, this is the end of today's episode. See you next episode.